The most common hammer in an automotive workshop is the ball peen or engineer's hammer. Like most hammers, its head is hardened steel. A punch or a chisel can be driven with this flat face. Its name comes from the ball peen or rounded face. It's usually used for flattening or peening a rivet. The hammer should always match the size of the job, and it's better to use one that's too big rather than too small. This is a soft face hammer. Hitting chisels with a steel hammer is fine, but sometimes you need just to tap a component to position it. A steel hammer might mark or damage it, especially if it's made of a softer metal like aluminium. What you use is a soft face hammer. Some are very soft with rubber or plastic heads, through to those using brass or copper. When a large chisel needs a really strong blow, it's time to use the lump hammer. It's like a small mallet with two square faces made of high carbon steel. It's the heaviest hammer that's used one-handed. The most common mallet in the workshop has a head made of hard rubber. It's a special purpose tool used most often for fitting.